Hello guys, welcome to Jerry's Garden. In today's video I will show you how to grow sweet peas at home from store-bought peas. First you need sweet peas. To germinate them, sow the peas into normal garden soil and cover it with plastic. This will help the seeds to sprout faster. After 5 days, the peas have germinated. Now transplant them into a bigger pot. To prepare the potting mix, use only normal garden soil, no compost at this time. The seedlings are good enough to be transplanted into a bigger pot. The soil I am using to plant the seedlings contains 50% garden soil, 40% leaf compost and 10% sand. By adding sand to potting mix will make it loose, and sweet peas love loose and fertile soil. After few days your plants will start to flower. These flowers look and smell amazing. After 40 days you can harvest your fresh homegrown sweet peas. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.